Temperature is holding steady at 85 Celsius. Good. The viscosity looks right. I'll log it down.
Pressure is holding steady. Good. The flow rate is optimized now.
Everything running smoothly. Yeah, consistency looks perfect today.
The heat tunnels ensure a perfect, tamper-evident seal on every bottle, guaranteeing freshness from our factory to your table.
Is this the ketchup shipment for Dallas? Yes, all barcodes match the manifest right here.
That will be $350. Find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.